Welcome back to Avant Mechanical. Today, sorry, camera works rubbish, but hey, it's Avant Mechanical. Today I'm going to be doing the discs on this A4 Avant. Small car, most of you know it. A few things that I'm going to say, right, if this will work. Right. Jack, axle stand. Now axle stand's not exactly touching, but we're in. Cars and gears so it won't roll. Thinners, solvent. For cleaning the new disc when I put it on. Steel toe caps, not the best, but better than none. Old clothes. Undone a wheel, and if you can't undo a wheel, then don't do your brakes. Most of the tools I need are here. Impact, 30mm, 15mm, small hammer, small copper hammer, screwdriver, and 17mm for taking the nuts off. So I'll wake it back to you once I've got this wheel off, and I'll show you from there onwards. You've got little 13mm bolts at the back of here. Right, a bit close. Right. Slides. Right. See? Little slides. See? Well, what you do, it's not rocket science, but you put that on there, you turn it off with a 13mm spanner. It shouldn't be too tight. If they are, they're seized. You clean them up, you wind that back in, and as you can see, I've taken the disc off already. Right. All you do is you lever the disc out, and this comes straight out. Okay, I've left that hanging on a flexi, bad practice, but be alright. It's not really a biggie. So another pointer too, if you're ever changing the calipers on these things, always clean this up, because that's where they leak like motherfuckers. Okay, some of the smarter of yous will have noticed that my anti-roll bar rear link is not connected. But it's okay, I have one. So we'll crack on with this, and we'll see you in a few seconds. Yeah, right. Oh, it's solid. That's seized. See how it's seized up? That's what happens if you get a seized slide in the caliper, and I'll show you the outcome on a disc. One side clean, the other side dirt. Yep. That'll do. Right. I assume you left the hammer on, did you? Yep.
No, I think I took it down.
Yeah.
I think. Maybe I didn't.
I don't think you did. Right, well that's the brake discs on. Anyway, freed off at the back there. Slide. I'll just need to go down once. Just once the wheel goes on, it'll be fine. I'm saying once the wheel goes on, it'll be fine. Just needs to go down once.
Yeah.
They're like that. So that's that. We'll probably give that a wee wipe with some thinners before we put the wheel back on it. Might go over there and get that thinners from there. We'll probably just give that a wee wipe just to tidy up a bit. But that concludes the brakes on the Audi Avant. There's an exhaust clamp to do at the middle. There's Then there's upper control arms, but I don't think I'll bore you with that, since I've already done that before on my channel. So if you'd like to give a wee like, and if you want to see more car videos, they'll be up here somewhere, and beer making videos will be up there somewhere. Right? Okay folks.